Hello, what's up? It's your girl Bente254 as usual. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, today I'm going for a picnic with my friend. A friend there. Yeah, don't worry, you'll just see her.
And things, Ama?
Nope. Yep. Just snacks.
Let a jacket.
Oh. Okay.
Bigger pieces of like
Biscuits.
right?
Which one?
I'm looking for Novita. Novita is cheaper.
You can't exchange, okay?
No, these ones are nice, but they're $1.99.
Novita.
Novita is better, isn't it? Hakuna Novita hii ni pala. Hii ni nice na pala. Ama we can take this. It's great, chaka your travel. Aya. I'm thinking soda tuchukue 1.25. It's good for sana. Then you take water.
Okay.
Soda and water. See, that's okay.
Yeah, sure.
Unakunywa soda gani Bente?
Fanta.
Fanta orange?
Yeah.
Wallahi?
Or Sprite.
Wallahi?
Or yeah.
Oh my goodness. I could have gone with blackcurrant, but there's no blackcurrant. I was going to say we go with this one Coca-Cola because
Coke.
it has sherehe, but this one is 1 liter.
By the
actually.
way.
This one is 1 liter. We should look for 1.25.
Here.
Yes. This one is better. Oh, you said which one? Any Fanta?
Fanta, yeah.
Orange or any Fanta?
Any Fanta.
Any Fanta?
Yeah. What of this?
Blackcurrant.
Yeah.
Blackcurrant. I love blackcurrant. You see, we did not even carry Nini. What are they called?
We should take water. Yeah.
So this is okay. This is 1.5. You drink a lot of water?
Nope.
You don't. No wonder your skin is not glowing. You drink a lot of water.
One glass, that is enough just.
Wallahi.
Yeah.
My goodness. My goodness. What do you mean that is just one glass just it? Hiya. What have we get here? We've gotten ourselves. We've gotten a drink. We've gotten fruits. So that's your thing.
Happy.
No.
Kuna imagine kuna makeks huko mbele.
Ulikuwa unasema yenye unataka iandikwe kitu.
Wenye ilikuwa okay, hizi ni how much?
Miss Jui, I don't know. Kazi ni gani? Oh, tunaweza muuliza. Okay, asante sana.
Lakini mnachukua gani?
Yeah, 500. Acha kwanza.
Acha tufikirie.
Yes.
What do you think? What do you think?
Hebu tuende kuna huko cakes fulani. For easy. Na hizi.
If we get slices, each slice, if you're getting 2 slices, that is 340. Zako ni supu.
Thank you.
Goodness. Ni double soul.
I wanted flavored milk.
Yeah, sure. We can take which one? Which one should we take?
Sasa tunaanza kukula vibaya.
Which one should we take? Fresher, fresher. You've
taken flavored milk. Have you ever tasted flavored milk?
I always take that one for 75 bob. This one.
Flavored milk. Yes, that one we can take.
This one?
Yes. You want vanilla?
But this one I've never, like coffee, never tasted.
I love coffee. I also love. Okay, what you can do is you go with the one that you love, and you tell me the one that you've never tasted.
Okay, this one I always buy, but these others I've never.
You try this one. You try this one. This one is also nice.
Strawberry.
Yes. Inaanza tu wana hapa hiyo chocolate. Wallahi.
Okay.
Yes, see that?
Yeah, sure. So let's take this one.
Okay, it's okay.
Two okay. Or one? Two.
I don't like milk chocolate. I also don't like milk. You like this one?
With me, let me take this one. You choose yours. We just want to confirm the price of our snacks.
Oh, so bright, baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high. Feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like star. Baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual. Luna llena, shining down. Pies descalzos on the ground. Latido fuerte, boom, boom, boom. Take me higher, feel the zoom. Oh yeah. Break it down, feel the sway. Cerca de mí, don't run away. Tempo beats, let's ignite. Dance with me through the night. Baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like star. Baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual.
Back to you guys. We have already reached the place that we were supposed to come. We do our picnic. My friend, she have just gone to confirm up there if that is the best place we gonna go. We do our picnic silent, just chill.
Imani kama hatungebuy maji.
These things, they're sugary.
Sindio? I don't think we're even going to finish these things, honestly.
We will try.
Mexican chili. This one is very nice. Iko na pilipili. Gani? Tungebuy tu hizi pekee. Hiyo keki tumewest pesa. Ingine hata ni wasi. Mexican ni tamu.
So nilikuwa nauliza. Mungu wangu, nakwambia kukaa.
Walisha imani kama kwa na kitu mengine chini. Akua ngizo.
So nilikuwa naza. Hii Bluetooth tukiconnect. Italeta nini?
Copyright. Wewe umeshaanza kulipa na YouTube? So you're doing for fun kwanza?
Yes.
Sina sasa unazama. You can go with the vibes first. No. Ama.
Sure.
Because this one's actually very nice.
Let's start asking each other questions. Questions.
Like which one's been?
Any question.
As if right now we are not talking.
At your age. What have you just experienced? Then you think that you have experience
At my age?
Yes.
I'm gonna say the new thing that I've experienced. Or it's something that I've just discovered at my age.
Yeah.
Oh. Manifestation works.
The weather.
Oh my goodness.
The weather, I'm telling you.
What? Bente. Manifestation works. You've just asked me a question. Manifestation works. And we just have to live life. Unaona baba ameshazama.
Yeah.
We just have to enjoy life.
It's your turn. You should ask me another question, but not the same question that I've asked you.
Why did you start YouTube?
For fun.
How is it going so far? Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, sure. I do enjoy. But sometimes.
What do you enjoy most?
Okay, the way like right now we have just come for a picnic. We have bought some snacks. So I do enjoy eating, something like that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. What type of content would you want to create?
Traveling content.
Yeah.
Traveling content. Yep.
I thought I was doing the same thing.
Yeah, sure. By the way, I just want to that traveling content. I think it's so fun. Yeah, to explore, to experience some new things. And that's why I just want to that traveling content at least. Yeah. But
like you can move, but so see, even when we've come here, we just traveled because it's been
no, something like that, like this. But I wish one day at least I vlog going Mombasa. Yep.
By air or by
Public car.
Okay.
Yeah, at least I enjoy that. I don't know, sleeping 1 day, 2 days, the third day I'm hearing. I always hear is when you are arriving there.
No, Mombasa is not that far, Benji.
Sure.
If you start from here at this 5 from Keroka, you reach there at 9 the next day AM. It's not that far.
I thought you are sleeping 3 days.
When you are going Nanda Mbinguni, America. Hata America si mbali hivyo. Itakuwa mbali by car. Ask me another question. I was waiting for you to ask me
another question. Your job experience.
My job experience. What I can say is that work is fun. No. You don't have to love the work, but you can love the life that the work gives you. Well, if I was not working right now, I couldn't afford to be going to study Maratsumu, I'm going where? You're getting? So you don't have to necessarily love the job. But now if you love it, it's an advantage. You don't have to necessarily love the job. You just have to love the life that you get with the job.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's your turn.
So we have a game.
Yeah.
The game is called Little Talk. If you've been here for so long, you've seen me play Little Talk with my siblings. It's called Little Talk. Little Talk says like there's an instruction, like you pick a card and then you say something and something and something and something.
Okay.
The tag to video happen.
With me, I've never played.
Oh, sorry. Let us never played. There was this one card.
Yeah.
This is how the instruction looks.
Oh.
Like this is the card now. This is now for like conversations. Like it's divided into 6 categories, and then each question's like kuna questions zingine zinasema you have to say the truth, you have to say nini. So kila card iko na, there are several cards. They are like, you see that's blue. Let me show you guys there. That's blue, and then that's yellow. So they are arranged like that. So in yellow you can find like, and then this is light blue, you see, and then there is red, and then there is green. So each color that you pick has a different like question. Like you can find like, oh, they're here. Perfect. Hata amepata. This one, now this is the instruction manual. The instruction says like gray is for random, and then yellow is for hopes and dreams, green is for likes and dislikes, blue is for reflection, red is for self-expression, and dark blue is for emotional intelligence. So if you pick like, let's say blue, the yellow one, blue. Pick the blue one. So you answer the question like that one. What's the question?
How do you respond when you get something wrong?
Exactly. So you see, rules of these cards are just you have to be as honest as possible. Those are the only rules. So blue is for emotional intelligence. They want to check your IQ and everything. It is rated a game for kids, but it's very interesting. Now you see, maybe it's color yellow.
It's saying, what would you like to do when you get older?
Exactly. Like not like for your hopes, for your dreams, and then like let's say this one red we learned is for self-expression. Like what are you embarrassed to tell other people about you? You know, like you express yourself.
Okay.
So those are just the rules. Aya, we play kidogo. Juhivwa kitupata hapa na hapa.
The weather. The weather is not that good.
Yes, the weather is not that good, but you can play.
Yeah, sure.
How many cards do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we play 3 cards each.
3.
Yes. So
me, I have for color yellow, blue.
No, you choose like yellow, and then
yellow,
you go.
Blue.
You have blue. Then let me pick red, and then let me pick this blue, this light blue. We play 3 colors, and then I pick.
Give me one red, green.
Ngoja. There are 6 colors.
Yeah.
We're not supposed to have the same colors.
Okay.
We're not supposed.
Yellow.
So
and this one.
Yes, and this one. You take this one. So like that. We play 3. Because jamani. Kuna venye. Haya. So
Okay.
you want to start?
It's you. Okay.
Okay, I should start.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start with green. Green says, what is your favorite book? What is your favorite? Bente, say me, what is your favorite book? Currently, I'm reading 48 Laws of Power, and that happens to be my favorite book. As much as I would want a support group, I would want a support group. So yes, that's my question.
Okay, mine color yellow. Color yellow. Mine is color yellow. The question is, what would you like to do when you get old? Okay, with me, in future, just want to be a successful girl. What I just want to do in future, I want to be the biggest content creator. The biggest content creator. Yeah, I just want in future I'll be doing these things like cooking content.
Yeah.
Cook different types of foods, Jamaican foods. Yeah.
So come on, Nani. So you want even to be in the Guinness World Book?
Yes.
Wow.
yeah. I just want to be a biggest content creator.
Yes. And create content that
Yeah.
resonates with you.
And also kwa you.
No, nasema mfollow. I'm talking mfollow.
Yeah, please go check my account, my channel, Bente 254. Just go search Bente 254. I'm sure you'll just enjoy my vlogs. Yeah. Okay.
Color red. Someone first said that I look good with red. I do. Anyway, mine is color red. It says, what does your inner voice say to you? Alright, okay. My inner voice says, live young. Like you're just young. You can just live.
Okay.
Like travel. Do whatever you want to do.
You enjoy.
Enjoy life. What
Yeah.
do you mean?
Okay.
Yeah, that's what she's saying. That's what she's saying.
And it's my turn. This color blue also.
Oh yes, that's dark blue.
Yeah, dark blue. The question is, how do you respond when you get something wrong? With me, I always, if apologize, the word sorry, it's always in my mouth. When I get something wrong.
Okay. You know that is actually very right.
Yeah, so the word sorry, it's
It's just
always
there.
in my mouth. Because if I've done something wrong, or if I've done to someone something wrong, I must apologize.
Tunataka watu kama hao kwa dunia. Si kama sisi wengine. You see, we are learning.
Yeah. We should
We should just be kind to each other.
You should learn that word sorry. If you're wrong, just apologize.
So, do you think that someone can use the word sorry so many times, like isikwe sorry, anakuwa more like defensive? You don't think? Okay. I'm practicing that. So you have to be kind and be sorry.
Truth.
Okay? Mine is light blue. Light blue says, this is reflection. It says, if you could go back in time, what would you do differently? I think now this is the third time like I've picked this card, and then I think, what could I do differently? I would live more. I feel like I enjoyed my youth, but I could have enjoyed more. There's so many things I would do more. And then I would choose better friends. And then what? I would prioritize my self-peace first.
Okay.
Yeah.
By the way, better friends, I feel. Even me, I just want to have better friends. Not that who they are jealous, and things like those. This color?
Gray.
The question is saying, what book character would you most like to be and why? Power.
Why? Book character. No, in Power is a movie. No, the character. Who do you want to be?
The character. Oh my god.
So you've watched Power the movie?
I just want to have power.
Oh, you just want to have power? Me, I thought. No, you see the way they said book character. I thought like you've watched Power the movie. Power.
It's even there is a novel.
Oh, there's a novel.
Yeah.
Ngoja tunaongelea Power gani?
Power.
Say the one you're saying and then I say the one I'm saying.
With me, I'm talking about the power, like that you are strong, you can do anything.
Oh, now I'm asking about the book.
Or the book.
The book that you've read. Oh,
It's called Power.
no, that one is 48 Laws of Power.
Yes, that one. In fact, we have carried.
Me, I thought you were saying there's a movie called Power.
No, even also there is a novel.
Just called Power.
Yes, they had the title.
It's just Power.
Power.
Okay, now in that Power book of yours, there's a
Yes.
character that you adore. Now who is that character?
There is a boy called No, not a boy, a girl. Is called Cheryl. She's having a power. She was having a power.
Okay. There's a movie that I've watched. It's called Power. So I was thinking you're talking of the same.
Oh.
Where there is a lawyer. Watch Power. Mnageche nasema kuna this white guy. Actually, I'm so bad at remembering people. Kuna this white guy. There's a black guy and then there's a white guy. The black guy runs like they're the most they're the most powerful people. Like wanafanya hizi illegal. Muni correct kama niko wrong. Vitu illegal ziko mingi hapo. Comments muni correct kama niko wrong. And then the white guy, the black guy now is like unajua kwa movies black ndio anakuanga wako more involved in these bad things, ndio like drug addiction, selling drugs and so on. But now the white guy is so ruthless compared to the black guy, and then they are married, and then the black guy now ameoa akona mpaka bibi and so on, alafu bibi yake yako anajua hiyo part ya maisha yake. Naona sasa alikuwa shida akimwambia ati stay away now from the white guy. I cannot remember the people. I
think with me I've never watched that.
So I thought you're talking of the same.
Oh no, there is also a novel.
Okay. Unajua nini? Hii weather inakaa ni kama itaanza kunyesha na vile tumeteremka. Hiyo mlima tumepanda. Si mchezo. So in case we don't get to tell you guys bye, this will be our end of the video. In case, because let me tell you something, we brought a lot of snacks.
Yeah.
We've not even taken our chocolate zetu zimesha melt.
Sure. Oh my god.
Our chocolates have already melted because it's too hot. But if you, she says she doesn't like mint crisp. Nasema inaonja kama Colgate. So what we will win? No, because kwa watu wengine wanasema hivyo. That is very bliss. Mvua hizi tupatie hapa na hata hatujui penye tuko. So in case this is the last time you're seeing us, I'm gonna do my outro here. It was nice having you guys here. We have had a good time. We would have had better if the weather was not just misbehaving. So make sure you follow Bente. And please, my good people, go check my channel. Just subscribe. Please comment, share my videos. All those things. Spread the love. So hata sisi tuanza kupack tena nyumbani. But Bente, how could you rate this a picnic? Had we found the right place, because we've been moving on and about?
No. By the way, we have struggled. Like, yeah.
But it was nice.
Yeah.
We have found another spot that we might come and join. But now, if you had not bought snacks, we would have come to. There's a spot down there, nitaonyesha, where you can come and chill. It's very nice. But sasa tulikuwa na snacks. Sasa tungeenda kwa hoteli ya wenyewe. Ikitupata hapa.
Hiyo igeterembuko hiyo.
Bente, mvua inakuja. This is how it's looking. Ona wenyewe mvua inakam. Then we're going down there. And Bente is saying,
mambo ni teke. It wants to rain. The weather is not that good, as you can see. Yep. So
I don't think Bente is going to let me leave it down. The fact that I didn't carry a sweater and then it wants to rain. And I'm here slaying. I saw Bente with a sweater and I was like, unapeleka wapi sweater? Sasa tuendelee na maisha. Bente! Imepasuka yote? Imepasuka na imefunguka? Kuja tukuja mbio. Wewe Bente, sasa mbona kusimamisha vitu vizuri? Ona penye zangu zimetoka. Bente, zingine zinamwagika. Bente! Simamisha. Unaokota hizo tamu na kuna crisps ndani zinamwagika. Kuna chocolate. Bente, nipe soda. Imeangukia wapi?
Aki imepasuka. Give that some snacks.
No, unaacha zingine zinaendelea kumwagika. Badala usaidia zingine kuzimeza woi.
Like it
kunya kwanza inamwagika. Kenyan kupatia soda.
Kuja tukupatie cake.
Oh yeah, we even have cake.
Cake.
Mente. Kunya soda, you are drinking and then you are slaying. Tunafaa kuwa huko chini hivi. Mente unaweza tangulia. The views are nice.
Yeah, it's a nice place to get there. It's raining, guys. It's when we have done with our picnic. Hey, say something to my channel.
Don't be like Betsy.
How was the picnic?
The picnic was nice, but not be like Betsy.
Okay.
Also, not be like me. I didn't carry a sweater. Not be like Betsy, who wants to take photos. And then she's forgetting to guard her things. She has cost us half of our, what are they called? Of our snacks. Betsy is the problem. It was very fun.
Yeah. The problem is the weather is not that
The
good.
weather is just not okay, but it was very fun.
Yeah, right, my good people, as you can see. Yep.